Christine Loney, receiving hers for academic effort. Shauna Alt is receiving her award for the most improved. Rupert Gill is receiving his award for citizenship. And Philip Ducharme is receiving his for academic effort. And I'll just hand them out and then we'll be commended.
Nina Benedict, Kelly Garriock, Christine Burkhoff, Mandy Gill, and Hugh Wynn. Now, Crystal is getting her award for academic achievement. And Ryan is getting his for the most improved student. Ryan has really improved this year. And for tremendous academic effort, Nina is getting that one. And Kelly is getting it for athletic and sportsmanship. That was a really tough one. We had a lot of great athletes this year, but Kelly is a great sport. And Manreen is getting hers for citizenship. And Hugh, of course, if you're in grade 1 or 2, you know all about Hugh's artistic ability. His is for art. Big round of applause.
Present 4 awards for academic excellence. I told my class, they don't know who they are, but I told my class that these 4 people would be the top students I feel in any grade 4 class in the district. And I'd like Steve Licklighter to come up, Jessica Cameron, Nancy Perry, and Philippa Miller.
Stand.
I also have 2 citizenship awards. My classroom voted for these 2 people. I explained to them that they're the children that are on the playground, in the hallways, in the washrooms with these people, so they could best decide who would be able to get the citizenship award. And they chose Josh McLean and Brad Fishon.